Hi, I'm Nenad Kezele, sales engineer for electric motor shafts and axes. Iskra ISD presents different technologies and applications. So here on the top you can see applications for power tools and marine. In the middle you can see electric rotor shafts for automotive and truck industry. And on the bottom, you can see different applications such as hydraulics, pneumatics, paper applications, and forklift. Here is one example of shafts which is used on the world's first electric battery saw chain with clutch. Specialties of this shaft is that consists of different technologies such as turning, milling, knurling, then you have center grinding, case hardening. So please come to our stand 2A01 and we can discuss in details.